With the green Tanager, Ural is introducing another special model with a bird motif, following in its own Red Sparrow tradition from 2019. The Urals have never done it so colorfully. This former Russian company has always been known for its bespoke models, but with a team called Green Tanager, they set the bar for bright colors very high. The Green Tanager, named after the South American red-faced tanager, is based on the current Gear Up model from 2023. The Ural Green Tanager is not a special model that can be ordered in the classic sense, more than a retrofit kit that can be installed by yourself or at the dealer. The base should be Gear Up Incline Blue, one of the standard colors to choose from. There is also an add-on part that is set in Tanager Green, consisting of a bright green valve cover, bracket, luggage rack, kickstarter, engine protection plate, lettering and lamp ring. Attachment price $2,250. An optional $1,000 powder-coated engine and transmission is also on the list of options for the $21,999 Gear Up 2WD. The myth persists that the engines of the Ural Boxers are still based on ancient military technology. The engine has long had nothing to do with the Boxer BMW R71. Since 2003, the engine has been optimized in such a way that even Euro 4 and Euro 5 consume a small amount of horsepower, but its existence is not. For 2023, the Ural Boxer has been fundamentally revised. The new aluminum housing should finally be permanently tight together with the new seal. The new bearing seats should last longer and the new oil nozzles should lubricate better. The valve train via pushrod and rocker arm has been refreshed with new tappet rollers. As well as the engine, the Ural has devoted itself to powering the sidecar. Starting in 2023, the drive shafts are connected by constant velocity bearings, which replace the known universal joint. It brings smoothness and mileage. However, changes in the event of a breakdown are much more difficult. The performance of 745 cubic is 40 horsepower and 55 Nm of torque.